Hello there, welcome back to Noor Social Media Marketing. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can install Telegram application to your laptop or computer. You can install Telegram application to your Windows 10 or Windows 11 desktop. So I will show you two easy methods that enables you to download and install Telegram application safely. If you are using Windows 11 operating system, you can download and install Telegram application on your computer directly from Microsoft Store. To do so, simply open the Microsoft Store, click on search bar and search Telegram desktop. Click on the application here and install directly. After the installation finished, open and log into your Telegram account or create a new account. To do so, simply click on Start Messaging. From here, you can scan this QR code with your Telegram application on your mobile device or simply click on Login using phone number option. Select your country from here and enter your phone number without your area code because the area code is automatically included when you enter your country name. Then click on Next. 4-digit code will be sent to your Telegram account on your other device if you already open Telegram on other device. If not, the code will be sent directly to your phone number as SMS. Then you can copy the code and paste here. If you activated two-step verification for your Telegram account previously, you need to enter the passcode here, then click on Submit. Now you can use Telegram safely. If you are on Windows 10 or if you want to download and install Telegram to your desktop from the web, simply open your web browser and search for Telegram desktop and select the official Telegram web link from here. Then click on Get Telegram for Desktop. Download it. And then open the download location, then right click and install. And do the same what you see in the previous step to log into your Telegram account. Thank you for watching. I have other important tutorials for Telegram users on my channel, so you can watch them now. If you subscribe my channel, you will get latest Telegram tips and tricks. Don't forget to check the description below this video to get updated tips and free downloadable resources.